Welcome back, y'all. It's your boy Play. Thank y'all for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Today we're getting into mukbangers taking extreme bites. Let's get into it. You do not need to stuff your face like that. She like a puffer fish. And she's slurping. Is it hot too? It look hot.
안전하지? 근데
Is that like a dumpling or something? Yeah, it must be hot too. Dang, girl. Slow down. Ooh, you ever drink like the hot sauce and then you try to, it's hot already and then you try to eat it? It's like, try to drink it? No. This dude doing the same thing. Yo, you can't even, finish your food. Finish the first part you had in your mouth first. Slow down, my man. Back in the day, mom used to be like, slow down, eat your food. You gotta be able to taste it. You know, he can't taste nothing. It just... My man. It looks like it's hot too, steamy. What is that, like spam? No, my man eating spam. Yeah, hot in the mouth, huh? Slow your ass down. My man got the dry seaweed. He said, I gotta take down the taste, y'all. It's hot. My guy. My man over there sweating bricks. Look at him. He look like a baby about to cry. Man. Oh, man. He look exhausted eating that food. Why you got a napkin over here like crying? His nose all dripping. Yo, some people just... Whew. Oh, man. Excuse me. This a one chick, huh? That be going crazy. She got her must be, she look like an alien when she eat food. She be like, alright, we eating regular right now. Yo, her mouth. She like dislocate her jaw when she be eating. Like, yo, see what I'm saying? Yo, that's crazy. Yo, what? Yo, that's unreal. She doing it with like ease. Like I couldn't do that at all. What? How? Coca-Cola. I don't drink soda. I don't drink soda, y'all. Stay with, you know what I mean, beers, water, juices from time to time, you know, vitamin water, Gatorades, maybe a little other flavored juices, but you just see that man just do that? Yo, he like the other chick. Yo, like, look at the difference though. Yo, it's like his opened up like 2 more inches longer than mine, bro. That's crazy. Yo. Like a largemouth bass. Yo, do people like practice for this or something? Like, are they practicing to like who could open their mouth up the widest? Like, thanks for tuning in to the mukbang, taking the stream, big bites. I appreciate y'all. Comment, like, subscribe, and tell me what y'all want to see next time. All right, peace.